Is your work van a neat, organized workshop on wheels? Or is it a cluttered mess? If your van fits better into the second category, it's time to make a change. A messy work van isn't just an eyesore, it's a potential hazard waiting to happen. Poorly organized tools and equipment can easily become dislodged during travel, leading to an increased risk of injury and on-the-road distractions. Furthermore, a disorganized work van sends the wrong message to both current and prospective customers. Even worse, it can have an impact on your overall efficiency and productivity. If you can't find the items you need to get the job done, you'll waste time and appear unprofessional. Don't let your unorganized work van get in the way of your efficiency. Instead, organize your workshop on wheels and complete more jobs per day with help from Van Products. Our commercial upfits division offers a wide range of helpful organizational tools. From shelves and van partitions to toolboxes, storage bins, drawers, and more, we can help you get and stay organized. Less mess, more jobs. That's what we're all about. To learn more about our commercial upfits and how to get your van in tip-top shape, browse our available products or contact us today.